Wall Street, Dow off 50, NASDAQ now down 93 points. Some red ink again today. Mike Lee's with us. Look, we had a huge first quarter rally, Mike. Do you expect a big pullback?
Not really, Stuart. I think if we have some breathing room right here, that's perfectly natural, perfectly normal. But whenever you see this type of buying, that's normally, it normally means you're going to see a lot more buying. So unless there's some sort of extraneous event, I expect this rally to continue through the rest of the year.
You're bullish on Tesla when everybody else is kind of bearish on it. The current quote is 164. You think it's going to make your case? Why are you bullish on Tesla?
So, well, Stuart, first, every time it's had a sell-off or a hiccup or some bad news surrounding it, if you buy it on the dip, you were handsomely rewarded. There was a lot of hype over the last few years around electronic vehicles, and I think what the problem with Tesla had is it pulled a little bit of their demand forward, so they're sitting with a little bit of excess inventory right now, and the deliveries were down this quarter fairly substantially compared to what the street expected. Okay, that should normalize out. In 2026, they're coming out with a much lower price, Model 3. This company will transcend this EV fad, EV craze, because look, their cars are great cars. They're awesome to drive. They're cool. It's very, very different than, like, say, a Chevy Volt.
What's your price target on Tesla and when?
Yeah, look, I think you probably got to give this stock, 18 to 36 months to hit new highs, which would be north of $300.
Whoa. Overall, are you still what we'd call a Super Bull?
Yeah, for the time being, yes, and I'll tell you why. The economy is not getting worse, right? We don't have a lot of great news, but the ISM just slipped into expansion. ISM manufacturing just slipped into expansion. I don't see us falling off a cliff, and we might not get 6 rate hikes this year, 6 rate cuts, 3 rate cuts, or even any rate cuts this year. But there's like a 99.9% probability the next move from the Fed is going to be a rate cut, not a rate hike. So when you reach the end of these cycles, the economy starts to turn. Typically, stocks take off well in advance of it, and I think that's what we're seeing now, and I don't think we're stopping anytime soon on the heels of the AI boom.
Couple of info about strong economy, couple of numbers out this morning. Private sector hiring was up strongly and annual wages up 5.1%. That's a fairly strong economy. Mike Lee, thank you very much indeed. See you again real soon. It is now 9:30 Eastern Time. Press the button. The market is